Hello, it's me, Lepeer. I'm your host, Lepeer, and today it's gonna be something a little bit different. A cooking show. Yup. Today we're gonna be doing a cooking show with a special guest. What is his name? Give me a second. I'm naming him. Oh yeah, that's right. It's Cutie Penguin. So come on out. Yeah, what up? Alright, Cutie Penguin, introduce the show. Yourself for the show, I mean. Hey, yo, what up, guys? It's me, Cutie Penguin. Look at me, I look so adorable. Look how cute I am. Yeah, you're cute. Yeah. Alright, so, what's today's dish for cooking? So, what I chose, hot dogs. Oh, yes. Wait, what? That's why I said hot dogs. So we're just cooking hot dogs today. Yes. Oh, well, we can do that then. Okay. Let's go ahead and start our dish. Come on. Okay, we have all the things. A pot so we could fill with water in here. And we got our hot dogs. Eggs and a plate. And why is there chicken? What? I don't know why. Well, we don't need it now today, okay? We're starting with hot dogs. Okay? This is not like it's not about chicken right now today. Right now, it's about hot dogs. Okay. So let's just start. Let's start now. Okay, jeez. God. Okay, so what you do is you fill up some water, hot water, right? Yeah. Then you take this, you fill it up like that. Oh yeah. Yep. Camera guy, can you turn it off for me, please? Sure. Alright, there you go. Alright, thanks. And now we just put it over here on the stove. And now my assistant, Cutie Penguin, is gonna open the hot dogs for me. So, Cutie Penguin, can you open the hot dogs for me? Yeah, sure, I could open it. Okay, so we got a package of hot dogs. And, what should I do then? Oh, I know. I'll just, grab a piece of knife. Yes. But this is sharp and dangerous, but don't play with knives, kids. Don't play with them. Alright, what you gotta do is cut open the hot dogs. And you open them like that. There we go. Lepeer, I opened the hot dogs. Why am I blindfolded? There we go. Okay, just bring the hot dogs over here. Okay. Come on, hot dogs. Pigs, let's go. Okay, I'm bringing the hot dogs. Yes, thank you, Cutie Penguin. Alright, now we're gonna put some hot dogs in here. And now you have the hot dogs in. And what you do now, after that, you turn on the stove. Yes. It's right here. All you gotta do is, yeah, there you go. Oh, it's actually starting to boil, yes. It'll be ready soon, okay? We'll catch you right back with the hot dogs. So now we just gotta wait here until the hot dogs cook. Unfortunately, yes. Oh, okay. But when is it ready? It'll be ready soon. Oh, okay.
2 minutes later.
When is it gonna be done? I already told you. It'll be done soon. So,
4 minutes later.
when is it gonna be ready? I told you. How many times do I have to tell you that they're gonna be ready soon? Oh,
7 minutes later.
when is it gonna be done? I'm not. Oh my god. Do I have to do this over to you? That it's going to be done soon, I told you. Oh.
9 minutes later.
Oops, wrong channel. What was that all about, Lepeer? I just don't know. I just don't know. Hi guys, it's me, Hardy. I'm a cute little kitty cat. Cutest one of them all.
11.5 minutes later.
When is it gonna be ready? Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, you cutie penguin, I swear, if you say that one more time, and this time, I am going to kick you out. Not just kick you out, but going to kick your butt. Okay. You better not say it one more time. You better not say it. I swear, dude.
5 minutes later.
Hey, Lepeer. What is it, cutie penguin? It's boiling. I think it's boiling. Oh, it is? Let me go check. Oh, it is boiling. It is boiling. It is. Okay. Yeah. Now, after that, we pour the hot water out in the sink. After that, you put them on a plate. And then, well, it's actually kind of hot though, but what I'm gonna probably do, or maybe you can do, is put the hot dogs in the fridge and let it cool down for a sec. Okay, I just put the hot dogs in the fridge. So what I do is close the fridge and let it cool down.
30 seconds later.
Hey, cutie penguin, I think it's done actually. Let me check. Oh, yup, I think it's ready. Okay, come here. It's ready. Yeah, and that's how you make your own hot dogs, kids. So, remember, don't play with knives. I repeat, don't play with knives. Okay, dude, everybody gets it. Jeez. Okay. So, anyways, hope you like this cooking show. What we made. And I'll see you next time of the video. Bye. I think I'm gonna have hot dogs now. Oh boy, I can't wait to have it.